Junior, why so much powder there around the place? But Kuya, how are that? Mommy, I'm a Halloween costume. First spice, no you. Which spice, mommy? Me a world boss. World boss. Hey, but Junior, you not reach foreign yet. But mommy, me want go trick or treat. Junior, you must think say uptown you live. And you know say me not in a them devil thing there. But mommy, me want go trick or treat. Alright, Junior, the two of we are gonna wear costume and go at Cherry Gardens or one of them place there. Cause they not gonna know so we don't come from there. Yes, mommy, sound like a plan. That's why me love you. Me love you too, Junior, although you give me so much blinking trouble.